Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are doing well and staying safe. Today we are going to learn what are echoes, what is echolocation, and how animals use echolocation to find their prey and their way. Before we start our lesson, let's revise the concept of sounds. Sounds are made up of vibrations or sound waves. Vibrations or sound waves are formed by objects moving back and forth or vibrating. Sound travels in waves. It needs a medium to travel. It travels fastest in solids, followed by liquids and then gases. Sound waves can reflect off surfaces, that is, when sounds hit a surface, they reflect back. What is echo? Have you ever heard your voice echoing in an empty room? Well, echo is reflection of sounds. If a sound is not absorbed or transmitted when it strikes a surface, it will reflect back. Typical examples are the echoes produced by the bottom of the well, by a building, or by the walls of an enclosed or empty room. What causes an echo? Think and we will come back with the answer. Echoes happen because sound bounces off things. You probably knew that already, but something else has to happen as well. Just bouncing won't make an echo. You don't hear an echo when you are yelling in your bedroom, even though the sound is bouncing off the walls. Why is that so? In our bedrooms, there are objects like sofas, cushions, curtains, carpets, etc. that are soft. Most of the sounds are absorbed by the soft surfaces. Which surfaces reflect sounds better? Well, sound is reflected by hard surfaces and is absorbed by the soft surfaces. Let's move to the next part of our topic, that is echolocation. What is echolocation? It is the use of sound waves and echoes to determine where objects are in space. In other words, echoes help to find the location of an object. How is echolocation used by animals? Bats, whales, dolphins, a few birds like the nocturnal birds, some shrews are all known to echolocate. Bats use echolocation to navigate and find food in the dark. To echolocate, bats send out sound waves from the mouth or nose. When the sound waves hit an object, they produce echoes. In this way, they find their prey and also their way. The dolphins use nasal passages to make a click and sends it through its forehead, which focuses the sound together as a beam before sending it into the water. When the sound hits an object in the water, it bounces back to the dolphin as an echo. The dolphin absorbs its returning echo through its jaw. It can tell things about the object like size, shape, and material. Dear students, science, technology, and engineering are interrelated. Science explores nature and explains some of the happenings that occur naturally. Technology figures out how to make science useful. Engineering builds new things using scientific information. Let's find out how echolocation is useful for human beings. From watching animals and through experiments, humans have learned to use echolocation, sonar, and radar in many different ways. Sonar uses the idea of sound bouncing back. Scientists know how fast sound travels in water. Can you give examples where humans use echolocation? Well, the humans use this phenomena in robots, driverless cars, radars, and in tactic devices for blinds. The driverless car is equipped with radar sensors monitoring up to 820 feet along with a wide-angle camera that monitors lane marking. It also has 8 ultrasonic sensors. It can even park itself. Let's revise what have we learned so far. Echo is the reflection of sounds. If a sound is not absorbed or transmitted when it strikes a surface, it will reflect back. Sound echoes when it reflects off hard surfaces only. Soft surfaces absorb the sound. Echolocation is the use of sound waves and echoes to determine where objects are in space. And animals like bats, dolphins, fish, and some other animals use this phenomena. Humans also use echolocation. Dear students, there is a food for thought for you. Explore more about the use of echolocation by human beings. Here are a few suggested links that will help you get further clarity of the concept. I hope you liked today's lesson. Thanks for watching.